everyone, today we're going to do different thing. So we'll do unboxing. So we're going to unbox this box, and I ordered this from eBay. So let's see, let's check what's inside. Okay, we need to cut the tape. That's tape. This is one of my favorite things, so I'm excited to receive this one. So excited what's in this box. Ta-dang! Wait, I'll show you how it looks like. Oh, let's open it. Ta-dang! Let's see what's in here. Ooh, small stuff. And this one. And yeah, that's it. Nothing in here. So I thought they will not give this one. It shows there, and it's good because they give us tons. So that is with the product. It's a stun. So we're going to open this now, and with bubble wrap. Let's see how big it is, because it looks huge in the picture. Not bad. Here it is. Ta-da! Tang, tang, tang. Oh, that's cute. So that is see, it's a heart shape. A black amethyst, a heart shape. So that's how it looks like. This is not that big. It looks big because I put it near to the camera. And that is the back side. It's polished, so it's good. I ordered this from eBay, and yeah, I think they just color this one. They call it black amethyst, but I don't think, maybe they just enhance the color, but it's quite good. The size is like this, look. So this is the size. Wait, it's not focusing. So yeah, this is, so if you happen to see this in eBay, so this is the size. It's a good, not bad, and it's not also too small. It's not too big. So I expect maybe this size. That not bad. So I like this amethyst, but the concern is, looks like they color this one. I hope this looks natural, but I hope this is not colored. What they call this, black amethyst. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.